In this video, we write a simple program using loop system in C language. So firstly open Notepad. There are three types of loop. First is for loop, second while loop, and third is do while loop. These three loops in C language, we talk about for loop. We write a simple program using for loop. Question: this is our question. Using for loop, write 10 times hello world. So move on code block. Hello friends, welcome to our channel 59 Code. My name is Sonu Sagar. So let's start. Installation process of code block we complete in previous video. Link show in I button. So here create new file, empty file. First save this file using C extension. We already complete first program in C language, link given in description and also I button. So go and watch first video of C language. So write syntax. Syntax of for loop is, this is the syntax of for loop. Here for under parenthesis, first int I is equal to 1. Initialize first I is equal to 1, and second is condition. We need to print 10 times. So I less than equal to 10. This is our condition. And here increment decrement. So we need to increment because we print 1 to 10 times. So I plus plus. This is our syntax for loop. So here print hello world. Complete our small code of print 10 times hello world. So save this file and click build and run option. Our print 10 times hello world in same line. For next line, here give \n. This print hello world in 10 times. I hope you understand. If you are new in my channel, then subscribe it and click on bell icon. Thanks for watching this video.